Hi and welcome to E-ZTutoring. Today we are going to cover how you can write a function from quadratic form and standard form into vertex form. So let's suppose we are given something in standard form of y equals x squared minus 6x plus 1, and we want to write it into vertex form. So in order to do this, you need to be familiar with completing the square. So if you guys are not familiar with that, be sure to check out my video on completing the square first and then come back here. Now, I won't spend too much time focusing on how to complete the square as to how much time I really spend on just solving this problem. So for completing the square, we will need to know what b over 2 is. B is negative 6. This gives us negative 3. And then we also need to know what b over 2 squared is, and that's negative 3 squared, which is 9. I know I'm going fast, but like I said, I am not going to focus too much on completing the square. Alright, so now all we need to do is add and subtract 9 to our equation. So we add 9 so we can follow this form. And then also subtract 9 to make it 0, so we're not changing the value of this equation, and plus 1 from there. Now we are only focusing on this, that is the trinomial, that we can now convert into this form of x plus b over 2 squared, and b over 2 is negative 3, so that gives us x minus 3 squared, and then we just have these numbers out front. Negative 9 plus 1 gives us minus 8. And just like that, we went from standard form to vertex form by completing the square. So really all you need to know for this is just how to complete the square. You don't need to know anything else. As long as you know how to complete the square, you'll be able to go from here to here. And that is how you do it. If you guys ever want ACT or SAT help, be sure to visit www.e-ztutoring.com. Thank you guys and have a good day.